talk? Can we talk? Yes, yes. What's your good name, sir? What's your good name, sir? What's your good name, sir?
Kurt.
Good. How's this? How are you? Are you enjoying Kumbh Festival, Mahakumbh this time?
Yes, I'm the first time here. And
time?
yes, yes.
You haven't been earlier in this Mahakumbh Festival.
No, never. And I enjoy very much. Yes, yes.
Which country are you from?
From Switzerland.
Switzerland.
Yes.
See, 40 crores people, devotees, are expected to visit this place within 2 months of span. That is third largest population in the world. So managing that is challenging task. How do you feel?
Yes, it is. It is not so easy, and you have to prepare 1 year before to get a hotel and all these things. And you need someone who can translate. For example, it's him.
We'll
For
talk to
me,
him also.
yes,
We'll talk
yes,
to him
yes.
also. But do you know about Mahakumbh? The story behind it?
Yes, I know this. Yes, it is from these three rivers. Yes, and this at the end is
This
here.
is basically based on celestial clock of Jupiter. Jupiter completes sun's celestial clock in 12 years, one rotation, and
Yes.
it completes when 12. That is after 144 years. This thing is happening. A large crowd. Have you seen such a large crowd in Switzerland earlier?
No. In Switzerland, we even have not such a lot of people. We only are 8 million people, all Swiss.
So you enjoying? You getting
Very.
pictures?
Yes, yes,
Huh?
yes. I send
Have you clicked?
every day. I send pictures at home.
And what do you do, sir?
I am a computer specialist.
Computer specialist. That means you must be having ideas about using AI in such a large gathering.
That's it.
So are they using AI? Have you experienced AI
Yes.
here
yes.
in this Kumbh Mela?
In the Kumbela, no.
You haven't seen that.
yes.
So how long will you be staying in India or in Prayagraj?
Until the 19th,
Until
and then I will go back to Varanasi. Yes.
So that means from here to Prime Minister Modi's constituency.
Yes.
All the best. Thank you.
Thank you.
Aapka shubh naam?
विजय वाजपेयी
Vijay ji, Bajpayee ji. How well you define this Kumbh Mela and preparations?
बहुत सुंदर है पूरा समागमन है हिंदुओं का जो हिंदू दब रहे थे उनका जो है मिलन हो रहा है यहाँ पर ये कुंभ है बाबाओं सन्यासियों का ये हमारा परम धर्म है यहाँ पे आना स्नान करना और इसकी ऊर्जा में अपने आप को जो है बहा लेना ये तो ऊर्जा है
There are saints. You must have seen those saints here in camps and in their cottages. A few, they don't wear anything.
Yes.
They say
Naked.
that ash is their clothes.
Yes.
So, how do you feel after seeing them?
For me, this is no problem because I know this earlier. Because I saw in magazines or so that this happens here. When I was child, I saw this even, and it is natural, and it is the religion. Yes, the understanding of these people. Yes.
And how many other stories do you know about Mahakumbh? This is 5,000-acre area, managing with full force of 50,000 police force, more than that 7,000 buses, shuttles, flights, and so many things. So budget must be huge.
Yes, it is very huge, but you have to find the silence here. Yes, and this is the tricky thing.
Did you find silence?
Yes,
Did you find peace here?
yes.
Please go on and experience more, sir. Experience more.
Thank you. Thank you.
Nice talking to you, sir. So many people, those who are visiting from outside India, from inside many parts of India, Pia, you must have heard him. He said it very clearly. He is experiencing Mahakumbh Mela. Pia.
Indeed, Rajiv. Thank you for, in fact, speaking to the devotees. Of course, we've taken a glimpse at what's happening on the ground at Prayagraj itself. Devotees from all across the country, from the north to the south, east to the west, and those from beyond the borders as well. My colleague Rajiv has just spoken to someone from Switzerland. We've seen a lot of people from France as well, those who are coming from East Asia, whether it's Japan or those from South America as far as Peru. Meanwhile, viewers, we're shifting focus to some rather interesting developments as far as India's defense